the sound test. 1 2 1 2 3. This is how these microphones sound. This is one of them. If I take the other one out, put this one in. This is microphone 2. 1 2 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 1 2 3. Technically speaking, mic A and mic B, and that's how it sounds. And in the case of the cables, guys, make sure to pick the right cable. They are labeled, and make sure that you have the right cable for the right type of device. These ones right here are for the phone. So this cable and this other cable that says phone, this is an 3.5 millimeter to USB-C, and there's a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter cable right here. Those two are for the phone, and the one I have connected to my camera right now is the one that says camera. It has the icon of a camera in it as well, so make sure to use the proper cable. And it also comes with this USB-C to USB 2 cable, and I'm assuming that's for charging purposes. It comes with a case. The case is a charger, so if you put it in there, you're gonna be able to charge your device. And it also comes with these windscreens. Those can be attached to the microphones in windy situations. And yeah, that's a pretty compelling package. It has pretty much everything you need, and let me know how it sounds in the comments below.